Do you want the medicine? It's a candy for cough. But you don't have cough now. It's okay. It's okay. How do you cough? Oh, you have cough? Do you want me to give you that medicine? Okay. Hi, Anna. Do you want the medicine? But do you have cough? Oh. What are you going to make, Hannah Rose? Okay, she's making, let's show them first. She's making pasta. And there's pizza and there's also popsy. This one, the one that you chose first, macaroni. Alright, let's start. She's going to cook. Wow, what's that? Ooh, you're going to put olive oil and mixing it up. That's fun. Yummy. Wow, you're going to cut it? Cutting is fun. You're like cooking, Hannah.
I'm cooking.
What?
I'm cooking like you.
That's fun. You're cooking like me? Yeah, you're cooking like me. But you're really good. Wow, awesome. Whoa, you're so fast. You cook much better than me, Hannah. Good job. I think you have to pour it. Ta-da! Ta-da! Yeah, mix it up. Mix, 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 mix. That would be yummy macaroni.
And I put basil.
What?
I put basil in it.
Oh yeah, basil and sauce.
Yes, sauce. Red sauce. My favorite sauce.
That's so fun. I didn't even know that it's basil. Good job. Wow. A lot of toppings.
Chicken.
Broke the news to the young lady, and then she swore vengeance upon him.
Oh, there's egg. It's colorful.
It's a food.
Cute one. Okay, you can start. I think they have to take a picture first. Do you want to take a picture of this? This one. Ching. Oh, it's okay. You can start eating. Yummy. Is it fun? You didn't eat yet. Funny. Oh, you want to make pizza?
Pizza.
You're fast, Hannah. She's cooking.
Wow. I'm very fat.
Yeah.
Painted.
Hi friends! Ayan, mag-paint daw sila Hadasa at Hannah today. So, ayan. Naman natin mag-sweet body.
Mom, can I paint now?
Yeah, we can start.
Yay!
Dito lang sa gilid.
Can I have one?
Ito yung yung hindi ko na-unbox. Hayaan na lang natin. Yeah, we're painting. Mag-paint lang sila best ng birdhouse.
Can I have one? Can I have one for you?
Alam niyo, maulan dito sa amin ngayon.
It's a birdhouse.
Birdhouse. Kasi yung aking bilbil, baka maglabasan kapag hindi ako gumili. Hindi, joke lang. That's the birdhouse. Let's show them the birdhouse first. Can I borrow? Hannah? Can I borrow? Let's show them. Thank you, good girl.
Mama, I want to
Ayan.
show them. Can I paint?
Feeling ko para akong alam niyo yung bunot?
Mom,
Lagay ko pala din yung lipstick ko.
Mommy, I don't have one.
You have to be careful first. Oh my gosh, wala pala tayong painting.
Mom, I don't have it.
Wala pala tayong brush, bes. Maghanap mo ng brush.
I don't have.
Wait, we don't open it yet. I'll find brush first so that it will not be broken, okay? Wait. I'll just be fast. Uubusan na ako ng English, bes.
We're going paint this?
Ay, hindi pala. Ano, artistic pala tayo. Akala ko kailangan ng brush. We're going to use hand. I didn't know. I forgot. You're going to use your fingers. Okay? We will be artistic today. Plus, this is ano to besh yung washable pala. Washable. Ang hirap. Alam niyo, wala akong tutulog eh. Washable siya. So, yun. Naantok pa ako. I'll give you. Paint pot set. Finger lang pala, best. Lapit ko kaya, no? Para mas kitang-kita. Dahil straight body nga ako. Lagi na lang akong ganyan. Dati kasi, best, nung bata pa ako, masyado akong mahihain. Pag naglalakad ako, kailangan nakaganon ako. Ngayon lang kapala na mukha ko. Hindi, kayo lang naman nakakaalam ng channel na to. Wala naman daw makakaalam masyado nito kasi kung Pilipina, kalahi lang natin nanonood, kalahi lang talaga yung i-recommend. So, hindi ako masyado mag-English dito guys para hindi mapanood ng makalala namin dito na. Ay, bakit ko ba yung open niya ng isa-isa?
Can you open this, Mom?
Okay, green. Hand it to you.
Mom, can you open one?
Yeah. Like we will make a flower.
Mom, why not?
You have to be careful. Just soft.
Mom, I want
That. Wait lang, Hana, ha?
me.
Yeah. Here. Here on the side first.
Me.
Ang hirap, bes. Wow, good job! Wait! The other colors too. We have to alternate. Hannah, it's your turn. Oh my gosh. Your turn, Hannah, come here. On this side so that, just move here. Can you please get down? Come here so that you're near.
Name is pink now.
Yeah, pink and... Oops. Wow, Hannah did this one. I'll teach you, Hannah. Let's make a lilac flower first. Let's practice here at the back.
Mom, I want.
Yeah. One. This colored ayaw akong patry. On the side. Two. Three.
I want.
Just here. Gusto ko rin magkulay kaya alam mo na. Hindi, joke lang. It looks like a cherry blossoms. Just soft. Okay. Here on the side of the green. Okay. Hannah, that's enough lilac. Mix it up with pink. Oh, that's so pretty. We'll add more. Wait. Put it here first. Here in front. We didn't put yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flower sana. Just kaya lang parang hindi naman naging flower itong ginawa namin. We will put pink on in the middle.
Pink.
Wait.
Mom, I need more pink. Want to give me?
Wait na. You need another color. Here. A little bit, not so many. Okay, thank you.
Hold it.
Yeah. You're going to
Have
get...
it.
No, you can't hold it because it's going... Good girl. In the white. Okay. That's pretty. Here. Let's color all of this pink.
I want.
Okay, nagde-decide lang po. Wow, it's pretty. Next, we will use red.
Red.
Later. You finish this with pink first. Okay. Good job, Hannah. Then later we'll use green for the leaf.
Now, can I use green now? I done coloring my flower. But not yet.
Okay. Wow. Lagyan mo ng lining. Dapat pala yung lining natin red na lang. Okay. Now we'll use red and green.
Mom and Dad, look at my flower. Red and green.
Yellow-green na lang yung dahon natin.
I want yellow green too.
For your leaf, you need, yan. Color this with yellow-green. You wipe it. For your leaf. You know where's the leaf? Here. Oops, be careful. Good girl. Color all. Other side.
No. Red for the spout, please.
Okay.
Mama, need red for
This
the
one,
spout.
Come on, here. See? Oh my gosh. Just make it.
Now I'm done.
Okay. We'll wipe it. Good job. And then,
I have to wipe.
tatagalog na nga lang ako. Hindi nila ako maintindihan this. Oops, we'll put red. The lining here, we'll put red on it.
Have red too?
Hmm?
Have red too?
Okay, do you want lining? Red?
Yes.
Yeah. Oops, be careful. No, no, the lining here. This one. Yeah. Color all of it red.
Weasel.
Now, Hannah.
Wow, we put some onions. Okay. Now we're done. Egg. No.
Yeah, yummy pizza. Can we have some, please? Wow, your pizza is unique. It has green sauce. Yeah? You love your green sauce? Wow, you're cooking it now? Are you excited? Yummy. Wow, you're going to cut it too?
No. I just put in this.
Yeah, pizza is ready.